This is a copy of my presentation delivered on the 6th of October 2018 for the Sunshine Coast Open House Public Talk. The theme is Architecture for Good, an exploration of architectural work for community good. My project is the Montessori International College. My metaphor for an architect influences the way I work. If it starts to produce crap, I will change the story. But for now, my two-faced metaphor embodies holding the tension between joker and broker. With one face, the architect seriously brokers solutions to juggle client needs, social needs, and the planet's needs. With the other, the joker seeks to hack the systems that govern development, reframe the rules, or playfully poke them. It's a practice of navigating through uncertainty with multiple stakeholders. Where information overload and uncertainty permeates our lives, clarity is power. As an architect and Foresight consultant, I choose to work with clients and communities who seek clarity and are willing to undergo transformation driven by that clarity. A clarity of place vision, values and design qualities, of purpose and impact, a clear design brief. These are the seeds of doing good work which may lead to awesome architecture if the clarity remains consistent throughout the project and onwards through occupation. But how do we define good, and good for whom? In my talk, Architecture for Good is defined by my clients, in this case, the Montessori International College. This community were forced to relocate from Sippy Downs and build a new campus. Our collaboration began in 2009, a time of great financial stress and uncertainty for the school. A lot has happened since then, so I sat down with Sheree and Grant to ask them what are the benefits of futures and design thinking and the resultant architecture for their community. I acknowledge Sheree's visionary leadership, and I salute Grant, a design convert and champion who is in the audience today. From their perspective, the school's realized benefits are fourfold, which is how I will present my talk. 1. Improved functional use, including how a pedagogy of place has shaped the new work and learning environments. 2. Improved image, atmosphere and competitiveness. 3. Environmental outcomes. And 4. Social cultural legacy. The guiding design principle for the school's uses and spaces is that solutions grow out of place. This principle underpinned the place visioning process that included students, teachers, and parents. Why? To clarify the place qualities and land selection criteria for the new school. With a place vision, the college executive could move forward with confidence to purchase land that fitted its long-term preferred future. And the college community prioritized the eco-efficiency design strategies most important to them in creating the new campus. This helped the consultant team to master plan the new site and develop the design with the community's values in mind. To our knowledge, this is the only school in Queensland that master planned its campus with artists who involved learners' ideas and emotions, honouring the child in the placemaking process. The ecological, social and financial benefits continue to unfold from MIC's ethos, Place Teaches Us. In the secondary school, access to land and ecosystems for scientific study include water quality testing of Udlow Creek and the study of aquatic species, management of the vegetation covenant area through Land for Wildlife, koala crusaders to supply leaves to local koala rescuers, the University of Queensland Toad Eradication Program, and Cubby Cubby cultural heritage mapping. The design and architecture of the campus has shifted the image of the school from ad hocness to purposeful, providing a welcoming and tranquil atmosphere. The typical visitor reaction to the college is, "This is relaxed, unlike anything I've seen before for a school." The improved image of the college, with its values clearly on show, has spurred growth in enrolments and secured financial certainty. Is MIC's vision to be a green school being realised? Consider the following 5 outcomes. 1. Environmental site planning manages flood and bushfire risks and protects 43% of the site for habitat conservation. 2. 5 buildings were relocated and repurposed, saving materials and energy from Earth's limited resources. Shown here is the secondary school precinct, assembled from relocated buildings from the former campus. 3. Healthy building materials were chosen for their durability and thermal and acoustic properties. Wherever possible, the structural material also provides the tactile finished surface, reducing construction fabric and embodied energy. 4. MIC collects all of their own potable water, treats and reuses wastewater, and future buildings will harvest renewable energy, making them resilient. 5. The adolescent community is managing a land laboratory, integrating life skills whilst keeping the land productive. All this and more was achieved on a low-cost budget that, through benchmarking with state government, revealed that MIC's Stage 1 works was typically 2/3 of the cost of a new state school of similar size. We shape architecture, and thereafter, architecture shapes us. The college's alternative educational reach is now global, attracting families from interstate and adult Montessori teacher training internationally. The college has gained accreditation for the International Baccalaureate program due to the recent refurbishment of a classroom into the secondary school science lab. Site planning and design has improved connections within and between cohorts, encouraging modelling of behaviours, and matches age-specific needs to their environment. For example, early learning is on the ground floor, with access to the playscape undercroft, creating memories of playing under a new type of Queenslander on stumps. In the roundhouse, the 3 to 6-year-olds on the ground floor see the 6 to 9-year-olds on the upper floor, which sparks curiosity and has increased retention rates within the primary school. The college is building community resilience through partnerships focused on creative industries through the Imagineers Festival, and custodianship of the land, as I mentioned before, under Place Teaches Us. So, by now, I hope it is clear to you that MIC aims to be a showcase for sustainable placemaking, recognised by the Queensland Government and local council as a Green Door project inspiring others to do better. In 2017, with my help, MIC renewed its strategic plan and, using social foresight methods, reimagined its school as a village of learners. The process involved the whole college community, including children. Learning foresight skills in the process, primary and secondary school students were instrumental in exploring personal and community futures and a new school metaphor. The new metaphor challenges the college to transform beyond the siloed constraints imposed upon it by the national education system, to become a new form of learning village, integrated to place and connected to other social enterprises. the master plan is being reviewed with the same holistic rigour as the first. So watch this place evolve, to leave a social legacy not only for its alumni, but for the Sunshine Coast community and beyond. The college will open its doors during the Sunshine Coast Open House, and I will be conducting tours through the campus focusing on the 3 awarded buildings. Please book your tour time on the Sunshine Coast Open House website. Today I talked about the community good delivered through architecture, design thinking and foresight methods. During the tour, I will focus more on the architecture itself and how it responds to its context.